USA Performance Parts. We're out here in the warehouse. I wanted to show you our small block Ford top end kit. These are very unique top end kits. They come with the complete aluminum heads. Comes with the race series valves, not a street series valves. Comes with the correct valve springs for the hydraulic roller cam. The heads come also with the rocker studs, guide plates, ID locators, 4130 chrome moly retainers, Phyton seals. These also for the 302 guys with stock blocks. It comes with the step washer, so you can use your stock 7/16 head bolts and studs in it. The aftermarket blocks all take a 1/2 inch. Now, these kits are more complete than most of the top end kits out there. They come with the hydraulic roller cam already, come with the hydraulic roller lifters, come with stainless steel rockers, comes with the timing chain set. Most of these kits don't come with any of that, but they also have the ARP correct head bolts, the ARP manifold bolts, the cam lube, Edelbrock intake manifold. They also come with the competition series Felpro head gaskets, not a cheap, just an OEM style. Comes with the competition intake gasket also. This is a great kit for the Ford guys wanting to upgrade and get rid of their iron heads or stock small aluminum heads. Gives you everything on the top end that you're going to need, all in one box. These are in stock at USA Performance Parts. Just give me a call here at 704-397-7979.